Exposing the secret to a perfect sandwich. Every time I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich that's not just quick, but amazing. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh bread, your favorite deli meats, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and any condiments you love. Got everything? Great, let's get started. Step 1, lay out 2 slices of bread. I recommend a nice hearty whole grain for extra flavor and texture. But hey, use whatever you've got. Step 2, spread your condiments. Mayo, mustard, or even a bit of hummus can add a tasty twist. Pro tip: spreading condiments edge to edge ensures every bite is flavorful. Step 3, layer on your meat and cheese. Turkey, ham, or roast beef. Pick your favorite. Don't forget the cheese. Cheddar, Swiss, or provolone work wonderfully. Step 4, add the veggies. Fresh lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and maybe some crunchy cucumber. For an extra kick, throw on some pickles or jalapenos. Step 5, top it off with the second slice of bread. Give it a gentle press to keep everything together. And there you have it. But wait, there's more. For a gourmet touch, toast your sandwich in a hot pan or press it in a sandwich maker until the bread is golden and crispy, and the cheese is perfectly melted. Enjoy your quick and delicious sandwich. Perfect for lunch, a quick snack, or even a light dinner. Remember, the best part about making sandwiches is that you can get creative. Mix and match ingredients to find your ultimate combo. Happy sandwich making. Don't forget to like and subscribe for